So one of the things people like to do is convert Coleman lanterns to burn kerosene. I don't understand the appeal, but let's give it a shot. Of course, we're not going to use this thing. I have something entirely different in mind. How about this? We're going to convert this lantern to burn kerosene. This thing's actually a pretty brilliant design. Top comes off. Take those two screws out. And now, separate the top from the bottom. Well, why do we need to do that? Because we've got to have a generator. Now, I thought about just adapting a Coleman generator, but of course we're going to need a preheat cup. So rather than worry about that, I thought, well, I'll just make a complete custom job. And so what we need to do now is drill a hole right there to install our new generator. We need to include that pump cup, so he's got to come pretty close to right there. So, very carefully and with great alignment, get this hooked up. There. Perfect. That's a precision hole. And then the pump cup and generator are going to look like that. Again, very carefully and with great precision. That actually came out really good. This is kind of good stuff to machine. The top hole is not as big as the bottom hole. How is that possible? Guess I didn't ream it out any. Let me just embiggen this top hole a little bit. Oh yeah, see that's there you go. That's hallmark of quality machining right there. So I was thinking, how are we going to hold the generator into the lantern? And of course, it doesn't have to be attached at the top, right? That's where the fuel comes out, but it does have to be locked in down here at the bottom. So I think the best way to do this is with hot glue, right? That's a YouTuber thing. It's hard to get the hot glue under the cup, but it'll hold the cup up nice and high. And it's hot glue, right? So it's going to be good the heat of the kerosene. There. We're going to have a way to get the alcohol into the cup, aren't we? You don't want to have to take the thing apart every single time. We could do like a Macbeth globe and just put a hole in the side. So the Macbeth globes are super fancy. Let's do that. We'll go right about right there. Let's take our drill bit here and oh, nice, like butter. That was perfect. Do need one more hole. And that's in the side, right? We need a filler. All right, so fortunately there's a seam here right on the side. I'm gonna go just above the curl, right? And just, how big do we want it? That's pretty good. What do you think? That looks all right to me. Well, he's not gonna, we're gonna do, well, that's okay. We have some duct tape. And then there, no problem. Reassembly is, of course, just the opposite of the taking apart. I'm gonna get the generator up in the hole there. That works nice. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Kurt, that lantern is not going to hold kerosene. There's no good seal in there. And you're kind of right and you're kind of wrong. There is a rubber seal in there, but I don't think it'll be kerosene proof. I think it'll leak. So we're just going to add a little insurance, do a real accurate job here. There we go. There. Believe it, I put the hole on the wrong side. That's alright, can just pull it up from here. Another hole later. It's going to be a little bit difficult, but I think we can sneak in through the hole there. That doesn't work. Come on. maybe a little more on the globe than I expected. A little more lighting hole than we thought we would, but that's alright. Get in there and you see the preheat hasn't actually lit. There we go. Oh, come on. Come on, little buddy. What happens when your alcohol won't light on fire? I think the problem is we don't have enough air. There we go. Oh, there we go. There, now that's nice. There we go. And that, my friends, is how you convert a Coleman lantern to burn kerosene. Just like that, right there. Sounds just like your regular kerosene lantern. There's quite an odor coming off of it. Wafting, you might say.